Oh, it works fine. I'm running out of water though. They're not closed down. I might be in luck. I got a pizza store I could do. Look, the Mexican makes pizza, right? He been here with this company for a long time. He driving around in a BMW SUV. Man, he must be getting paid good, huh? Who says Mexicans don't get paid well? They do, man. They work hard. That's why. He works 7 days a week, damn near. BMW right there. You know what I told him? Just as much as window cleaning is around, just as much windows are around, that's how many people eat pizza. And I said, man, you drive around the BMW, you making bucks. He said, a little bit. Shoot, I'm gonna go give up cleaning windows and go make pizza with y'all, huh? He starts smiling and laughing, cause he know I know he getting money, man. He getting money, yo. I don't care what he say. Let's go and knock these windows out. I'm gonna show y'all my new WAG high flyer. So what turned out to be a not so good day actually turned out to be okay. It looks like it wants to rain too, but I ended up making $85 by the grace of God. $35 from the pizza store and $50 for doing nothing at all. Just for me being me. Apparently, God thought I should have it. See, here's how Five Guys was out of the picture this morning. This is Masters at Wagtail, and that's all, folks. That's all, folks. Bam!